Hello, welcome. A fast one on this episode 8 compound interest series. All right, we are to find the accumulated amount of money after 1.5 years for 10,500 Ghana cedis, which is invested at the rate of 8% per annum. We discuss how to find the compound interest based on installment purposes. So this is uh, compounded semi-annually instead of being compounded annually. Semi-annually meaning 2 times in that given year. We deal with two methods, but in this episode, I'll go for the last method, which I'll indulge you to try the first method. Let's bring the informations from the question. The principal on which the monies are built up is 10,500. What again do we know? The rate of calculation has been given to us as 8%, which is 0.018. It must be in decimal because I am going to use the formula. Then what next is given? We have been given the time. The time frame given to us is 1.5 years, right? That's 1.5. What again? The number of times the compound interest is taking place is 2. That's semi-annually, 2 times in a given year. So the amount we are going to substitute in the amount equals to principal times 1 rate on n times t. This is the formula we got from the episode number 7. So what do? We substitute, right? So amount to be calculated as principal 10,500 multiplying 1 plus rate, which is 0.08 divided by 2, the n, the number of times. And that n will multiply the times. How many times are we doing that? 1.5. So what do? Let's simplify the top here. Maintaining amount equals to 10,500 1 plus 0.04, I guess. If you divide this by 2, 2 times 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5, that will end up giving us 3. So let's simplify further. 10,500. In the bracket, we can see 1 plus 0.04 will become 1.04 raised to the power 3. You can find the decimal of the bracket, multiply by the 10,500, or I will just put all those values in the calculator at once and see what that will be. And that should be giving you 11811.07. Let's see. Okay. So this will be 11,811.07 Ghana cedis. So this is the use of the formula, and I know that you can also try it, the first method, which is a step-by-step approach in getting to the same answer. Share that in the comment section as we keep interacting together. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.